Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Prasad Kumar Bisway. My topic is direct broadcast receiver system. This is my content: introduction, component required, block diagram, working principle and advantage, disadvantage, application and future and implement. Conclusion reference. This is my introduction. Direct broadcast receiver system refers to the satellite television system which the subscriber of the end user receiver signal directly from the joystick. DVS is the disseminate and direct to home DTH satellite service. A number of companies provided DVS and DTH service through the world. Top 6 best DTH service provided in India: Tata Sky, Dish TV, Airtel Digital and Videocon D2H and Sunrise and Zing Digital. This is my component. This picture is transformer and receiver. This is geostationary satellite and provide the center. This is receiver. This is a block diagram. Antenna play the visual roles in the reception of the signal from the satellite. The function of the antenna to direct to radio wave the narrow beam and receive the radio. The then and received the beam of the focus in the single point through the feed the antenna LNB. The LNB feed the signal and transmitted it is the through the cable. This is working principle. Firstly, the user and generate and message and signal which the password, the procedure, the registration, communication and network, the earth and station. The earth and station is model the signal, sended the signal, the satellite, space on the uplink and frequency and spectrum. The satellite amplifier the and process the signal and the retransmitter is the block and downlink and frequency. This is a diagram. At the receiving earth station, the retransmitted signal and received demodulated and amplified to the get and back the original signal. The signal is then sent to the user and through the registration communication network. This is a diagram: receiver station and practitioner network. This computer, this is TV and users. Then the signal from the terrestrial communication network is received by television decoder, also known as the set-top box. The set-top box is decoded the received the signal and display the output to the television set. Advantage: large converge, high quality, high reliability, speed, intelligence, and high capacity emergency communication. Disadvantage: main disadvantage of the direct and broadcast system is if a channel is broadcast from the more than one distance in satellite, then separate antenna will be needed. During the rain or in cold water condition, the antenna is fail on receiver the signal frequency for the received signal. Any disturbance of movement of antenna by the external force of causes losses and signal. This application validated community telecommunication, weather forecasting, and radio broadcast of the voice communication, remote in sanitation application. This is the pictures. Future environment. The future of the smart TVs can be improved by using the touchscreen technology. It can be improved in the reference rate. Conclusion: direct broadcast systems play a visual role in the global telecommunication system. Satellite communication technologies have achieved remarkable breakthrough efficiency and increases the performance in the yearly half a country. Today, satellites are digital processing in the sky and specifies software define how they inform. This system is provide a wide range of service such as broadcasting, high transformer rate and narrowband transmission to fixed, portable or mobile and a terminal with a global or regional coverage. This is my reference. Thank you.